In this video, we are going to deal with how to draw a circle of a given radius to touch a given straight line and an arc as shown. So in this case, we are drawing a circle of given radius to touch a given straight line and an arc. So you have a given straight line. This is your straight line here. And this is the arc. Let's call this straight line A, B. Let's call the arc A, D. Now the first thing is to draw a line parallel to the given straight line at a distance equal to the radius of the required circle. So in this case, let's take the radius of the required circle to be, let's say, 2 centimeters. So we're going to draw a parallel line at the distance of 2 centimeters away from the straight line. So you pick 2 different segments. So next is to draw a straight line. Then after that, the next stage is with the center of the given arc and its arc. So we have this is the center of the given arc here. So with the center of the given arc and a radius of the difference between the center and a radius of the difference between the radius of the given arc and the radius of the required circle. So with that radius, we are going to draw another arc to intersect the parallel line. So in this case, we have this one shortcut. So we are going to subtract the radius of the required circle, which is 2 centimeters, from the radius of the given circle. So all you need to do is you open your compass to the radius of the given circle, then you adjust your ruler along the line. So I'll adjust the ruler along the line till I have a whole number of them. So I have 6 now coinciding with the pencil. So all I need to do is I will take it back 2 centimeters. So till it gets to inwards. So even though this is 8, it is still a reduction of 2 centimeters, not an increase. So then I will now cut the parallel line. So cutting the parallel line. So I've cut the parallel line, and that will be the center. That will be that cut. Yes, that cut will be the point where the yes, we'll actually make use of the center of the circle. We'll cut from the center of the circle though. So this is the cut, this is the required cut. So this will be the point that will coincide with the center of the required circle. So let's call it O. Now the next part is, when we're done with that, we are going to open our compass to the radius of the required circle, and then which is 2 centimeters. So open the radius of 2 centimeters. That's 2. Then we cut. So we'll draw the circle. So this circle will be drawn to touch these and both the arc and the straight line. So as you can see, that is true. So this circle is touching both the arc and the straight line.